Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by updating Chrome OS and checking physical connections because outdated software or wrong ports block camera access. First, plug the external camera into USB-C or USB-A with an adapter if needed and power it on. Once done, open Settings and verify system updates. Make sure camera permissions are allowed for apps you'll use. You do this now so the device is recognized. Otherwise, later steps fail and you'll waste time reconnecting cables. Now you choose the external camera inside the app because Chrome OS may still default to the built-in unit. You open the camera app or a web conferencing app, then look for the camera selector menu and switch to the external device. If it's not listed, refresh the page or relaunch the app. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate for best performance and rotate orientation if needed. Doing this ensures the feed is active and optimized before you record or stream. Finish by testing the camera in a live call or the camera app so you confirm both video and audio work. If the feed is blank, power cycle the camera and replug it, and then restart your Chromebook. This often forces device recognition. If issues persist, update camera firmware or try a different USB port or hub because incompatible hubs or outdated firmware are common culprits. If nothing helps, try another app to isolate whether it's app-specific or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.